like it has the job skills of
He's such a sweet baby. Oh, he's a sweet baby. I gotta be very careful because he's trying to bite me. Oh, Freddie, this is a sweet baby purring while he's trying to eat me.
Kingpin in court.
Look.
Was 21 when he went to court in 2004. The prosecution came
Well,
down
get
and
up.
Nate was treated like a kid who made bad choices. He was portrayed as the
Get up.
kingpin of a drug empire. If Nate lost the case, he
Fred.
was facing 10 to 12 years behind bars.
Wait.
Prosecutors accused Nate's crew of smuggling $38 million worth of grass.
Fred,
The evidence was
move.
bank records, pounds of seized product, and recorded conversations.
Say hi.
But it got worse. Multiple members of Nate's
Get
family
up.
testified against him in exchange for life sentences. With the case stacked against him, Nate had no way out. He took a deal pleading guilty to 5 of the 59 counts.
His whiskers. They look like he touched one of those electricity things.
Sentenced him to 12 years in prison. He would not be eligible for
Why you gotta be so mean, huh?
Nate filed an appeal to get a reduced sentence. It was rejected. Most of Nate's crew got much lighter sentences. Scuzz and Topher each received 30 months. The rest got between 30 and 36 months. Gio, the hitman who ended Brendan Butler, also
This is so
pleaded
sweet.
guilty. He was handed a life sentence with a possibility of parole in 8 years.
Oh.
It was a sad, crazy story. But Nate's fame did